How to download Roblox Studio on your phone. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in roblox.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now go ahead and click on Continue in Browser. With that, you will land to the login page. Type in your Roblox account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. At the moment, Roblox Studio is not available in the phone version, but you can access Roblox Studio on your phone. Click on the option of Discover. Using the web version of Roblox, you can easily access to Roblox Studio on your phone. But if in the future Roblox Studio is available in the phone device, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But as of right now, you can access your Roblox Studio through using the Roblox web version. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear how to download Roblox Studio on your phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.